How to create a Vue PDF Viewer application in 1 minute. Start by creating a new Vue application using the Vue CLI. Then, install the Document Solutions PDF Viewer NPM package. In the app.vue file, add a div element with an ID that will host the PDF Viewer control. In the script setup block, import the Viewers class from the Mesius DS PDF Viewer package. Also import Bootstrap CSS for optional styling. Inside the onMounted Lifecycle hook, create a new instance of the PDF Viewer, targeting the host div element by ID. Invoke the Add Default Panels method to display the PDF Viewer toolbar and sidebar panels on load. To load a PDF on startup, use the PDF Viewer API's open method with a relative path to a local PDF in the public folder or local domain. Apply full-size styling in the main CSS file so the viewer fills the web page. Now start the Vue dev server. Notice the PDF Viewer will load with the specified PDF and default UI panels. Download a trial of Document Solutions for PDF and Viewer today at developer.mesius.com.